How to switch your order location on Wendy's online ordering site. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's and then go to the menu. After you're in the menu, select what you want to order. After you've selected what you want to order, it will lead you to this page. Choose the variations. After you've chose the variation, it will lead you to this page. After you've clicked on Start an Order, it will lead you to this page. Here, you have your order. You can simply delete it from here and then search New Address. Then at the bottom, you'll find different options. Select the one you prefer, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to switch your order location on Wendy's online ordering site. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.